This is a 7 Plus LCD screen, and we will use this OCA back laminator to do lamination. The white one is a cold press part, the glass frame with OCA together, and he is putting it in the alignment mode for cold press. Take it out from the mold. And then put it. It is a rubber for the cold press part, so it will help you to protect the base frame for the cold press part, and then put it in this machine. This is the OCA back laminator. Click Start button. And this machine, it works really quickly. Usually each time it will just need 15 seconds, 15, for each screen. So the speed for this one is very quickly. And it will just do in the lamination. This machine will work for the S6-inch, S7-inch LCD screen also, because the vacuum degree inside is and pressure it is strong enough. Okay. And then we can see, and then we will put it in the bubble removal machine. This bubble removal machine, each time you can put more than one pieces LCD screen. Usually you can put like 30 pieces or 40 pieces each time, and time you can extend to 25 minutes. And also you can see the door, it is our new design. It is the lock door, which do not need any screws, and it is more safety and more convenient. It is almost ready. And if you just put one screen inside, usually you can just set up to 8 minutes, that is okay. And now let's see. Open the door. Yeah, it is